What's up, bro? Oh no. Dude, why is the spread on this so shit? Yeah, that's trading. Well, I cut it 2 days ago, but the same shit. I bought a starter in Saba yesterday, and I just bought a starter in Upstart, but I don't think you need to do that. I'm just chronic overtrader. I reduced a lot of other things though. I reduced some of the stuff that was weak yesterday, like Rocket Lab and ASTS. But I bought First Solar yesterday. It's like basically a full-size position. Because this actually had a good setup. Right here. This is a great setup. I want to get into this if the reaction is good. I might just do a buy stop. Oh yeah, good thing I cut this. Oh, I was just gonna. What was this on September 11th? Upgrade? September 12th? September 12th? Huh? Was September 11th just a bounce day? Yeah, it was. Okay. Oh yeah, I see. I just overtrade a lot. I bought APLD yesterday. I stopped out though. I was just a small position, but still, it adds up. I got stopped out of like four different starters yesterday because I tried Tesla, XPEV, LI. Added up to a full-size loss, dude. It sucks. So yeah, I probably shouldn't have tried all those starters, but it is what it is. I bought two more starters. I bought Upstart and Sava I bought yesterday. Oh. Oh yeah, I also tried Lucid yesterday from Lowe's, but I just cut it real quick because it was just it's not a good ad. I don't know. I just thought not in a rush. Not in a rush right now. Oh yeah, Dave. I know what the Dave chart looks like. It's good. But I'm not gonna trade it. It's too thin. Dave trades very thin, but it looks like a very good base. Yeah, it's the weekly is great. They're like a neobank, right? They don't do any lending though, right? Like it's like Acorns. I have an alert on it, but yeah, 7 million. No, I'm not trading it. It's so thin. You just wait for it to get above like at least 40, if not. You could probably start buying it at like mid 40s. Yeah, the spread is like 1%. It's super thin, but it's very strong. But there's like thin names that are strong, like AI. This is very thin too. Uh, RDW is strong but thin. Like, you know what? I'm gonna add all these to the bottom here just to keep track of them. These are stocks that I would be watching more if I had a smaller account. What was the last one? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, did this do anything? Hmm. This is. There's no way this was gonna be an easy trade today, dude. I'm just gonna try to not touch it. Look at this shit. I don't know if Dave is actually rate sensitive, by the way. You should look into what they do exactly. But it falls under, if you live in America, it falls under like so I think the most popular one is like Acorns, but it's called neobanking. There was this loophole in, like regional banking regulations a couple years ago, but it's going to get patched up. But it basically allows smaller regional banks or banks that fall under regional bank classification to do some kind of arbitrage. Not really sure how it works. Neo banking loophole. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna look into it, but just look into how neobanks make money, I guess. How do neobanks make money? Oh, they do. If they do credit cards and loans, then I wouldn't make any bold predictions about that. A lot of different things can happen. It's just like it's a lot of things can happen. If you studied? Oh no. Okay, whatever. Just wait and react. I can fake out down, fake out up. I can do a lot of things. Sometimes, macro stuff takes like a couple days to digest. Sometimes it doesn't. I don't know, is this enough time for biotech to go? Let's reset these alerts. What's the last one I was looking at? The IWM alert. What am I? Asava? Fucking shit. I forgot what I was looking at here. Oh yeah, this is super thin stock. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's really thin. Healthcare is really strong, dude. But this is gonna be like it's like health tech. It's diagnostics, right? Oncology diagnostics. It's not the reason why XLV is strong. This is strong because of like insurance companies and NVO. Thin names are just going to be harder to trade in general. I think a lot of people are overly obsessed with like small account edge or what they perceive to be small account edge. I mean, it's strong, yeah. It's strong and it's technically flagging. But like, okay, let's go back to this. I'll show you what I mean. August 12th. Oh, well, you can just see it like right now. It's just very unpredictable, but it's going to be even more ratchet on August 12th. I can only go back to September, really, since like look, it's look at how it trends. Not really that fun. Big candle here and then it just like I mean you can try trading it. I don't know. But I'm just saying. You gotta know what to expect. Do I cut my starter or do I try to buy the dip? It is below my entry name. Oh wait. I think the best thing for me to do is not do anything. Alright guys. There's no need to be fighting. What if this didn't have fucking news, did it? Yeah. Half a mil float. Yeah. This is pretty good today, but it's also pretty thin. It's like 6 million usually. Do I really only have intraday data back a month? No, I should have it for more, right? Like hourly, I can go back pretty far on this. Oh, you know what? No, I was trying to go back to 2003. I typed in the wrong year. Okay, I'll show you what I mean for this one again. I'm retarded. Yeah, I meant 2024. It's actually buyable here, I guess, but yeah, like if you look at how this is I really hate stocks that trend like this intraday. It's just like in 10 minutes, right? In each of these 10-minute sections, like here, this candle only trades $5,000. That's so fucking thin. I don't know how big your account is, but like it's untradeable, I think, even for some small accounts. Like look here. $312 in 10 minutes, right? $6,000. $312, like 100 shares in 10 minutes? Yeah, I don't know. Just know what you're getting into. $3,000, like, so if you're taking a position that's like, uh, okay, let's say you're taking how big are small accounts these days? Like $10,000 account, right? You want to take a $1,000 position. At any given point, you might be like, I don't know, a tenth or half the volume, but it's strong. So I think you're better off waiting for like one of these stocks. I think this might take longer than I think, though. This BNTX. This like long-term chart is not so great. And we're just retesting this little range here. Now 10 EMA. I mean, it's better, yeah, but horizontal levels are better than just like moving averages sometimes. And I'll take something off like a quick range, but if you have a lower time frame, you have to like I don't know, like here, your failure rate is going to be a little bit higher. This stock in general though is kind of like it's kind of shitty to trade. You go back to if you have data from last year, look at its look at how it trended on May 16th. I don't think I have intraday back here, but it's just not that fun. But it could go to $10 pretty easily, I think. So, but if you do trade on a lower timeline, right, you have to like or in general, you should like be respecting these EMAs. Like if like if this breaks below here, you know, that's a sign. You have to reduce or cut. Same with the stocks that you buy on the daily. Like you'll see this kind of thing happen all the time. Right, it trends well on the hourly and 30. Right, let's just use the 30. Right, gets a key level, tries to like kind of range here, but then find sellers right up here, right? Double top, correspond to this one. Double top on the daily, and then now it needs more time. So now this is your signal to reduce. What's another example? Yeah, here, see? Respects levels, goes up here, tries to get, right, pulls back, tries to hit higher highs here, double tops on the 30. Starts selling off. This is your signal to reduce right here. Well, you can reduce here too, but yeah. And okay, here I'll show you something else too. You're trying to play a bounce here. I tried to play it here. It was a little premature, but yeah, I'm not going to trade this. Uh, okay, so yeah, okay. So this is a little premature, but I tried to play this bounce anyway. Right, this is pretty nice. This is kind of like a washout. It's not big volume though. And then we go deep into this 10-20 right cloud here, and it bounces, right? And then you can see after the bounce on the 30 minute, the 10 EMA starts going above the 20. This is a sign that you can maybe try to start some. You know, it's not rocket science. You don't want to get super long here. I only got a little bit. It's only showing UPST daily. Is that what you guys see? I have it a firm hourly right now. I mean, it's okay. It's not like this is some kind of like new thing that I figured out on my own. This is just using the EMAs. You can also use VWAP. I have VWAP turned off on hourly though, because I have it starting in 30 minutes. Because on the hourly, well, first of all, like these TradingView hourly candles are annoying because you know, the first they put the 30-minute candle at the end instead of the beginning, like most brokers do. But also at this time frame, I don't like it. I don't think it's as accurate because it's just weighted differently, right? Like you'll notice like 30 minutes on like VWAP on 30 is different, going to be way different than your VWAP on 1 minute, for example. But anyway, on like well, it's the same right now, but okay. But on 30 minute, you can also wait for the VWAP to start sloping upwards before, you know, it's all these things together give you more signals. Like here, right? Right? All of a sudden your VWAP starts sloping downwards. You can use that as a signal too, or at least maybe we should be cautious. Here too, right? This is a very good example. I mean, I buying this 118 reclaim was good, but yeah. Anyway, fake people out, right? And then VWAP starts slowing upwards. You can pay attention again. You can it respects this 232 level, and you buy on this day. Although now it's running into some trouble up here. That was so funny. What's Motorola doing? I wonder if this reacted. Not in the news officially, but this stock should be in the news in my opinion. 180R. Mm, I just feel shittier, I guess. Probably affects your mental game in some way, but I try not to think about it. But I don't specifically do what like Minervini does, where he like pyramids down and pyramids up. I very discretionary in that sense. Yeah, of course. You gotta understand market structure, dude. Stage analysis is everything. Stage analysis might be the one thing that will never go away as long as the markets exist, because that's how the big boys steal your money. You should read Weinstein, yes. Or it's not Weinstein's own idea. It's a lot of traders talk about it. Like Darvis, Cooling, you know, every good trader knows what stage analysis is. It's just inherent market structure. Oh my God. I can't I can't look at this. I would be out of my drawdown if I were in this. Yeah, man. Man. No, stage analysis. I mean, yeah, it's everything. Weekly charts are everything for swing traders. If you're a swing trader and not looking at weekly charts, you're probably not making any money. Why is this playlist on repeat? 7.3, like here? Yeah, it's a level, I guess. I mean, I don't mark everything, but I obviously know that that was a high. It's not super major though. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I found some congestion here. I mean, there's like levels that I just don't like to mark because I think they're more minor. Like Rocket Lab, like this is more of a minor level. I marked it because I tapped it 3 times on the daily though. It's all just it's loosey goosey. Don't take it too seriously. Doesn't have to be exact. I mean. But clearly, like 6 is more major. Now, obviously, 10 is major because 10 is a level for all SPACs, of course. Well, round numbers are just gonna be major in general because it was an emotional game. But for SPACs, $10 is what they all start at. This was a SPAC, right? Yeah, what? You can tell what's a SPAC because this is what it did before. See this? All SPACs have this. Or not all of them, but most of them do. Some of them slowly. No, no, all of them do. All of them do. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, dude. Oh, this better not make highs. Fucking piece of shit. God, I hate this stock so much. Good lord. I'm not gonna fucking chase this, dude. I might have to leave. I can't look at this. Oh my God. Okay, please, please reject. I actually saw it at like when it was up 5%, and then I went to look for news cause on Twitter because it wasn't on anything else yet. And the next time I looked, it was up like 25%. It was like fucking piece of fucking shit. Yeah, failing the hourly breakout so far here. That's fine. People that like exclusively trade these types of hourlies are not making any money, I think. But that's see, look at this hourly. Fucking eat, dude. You gotta like take into the context. Let's see, these break down so much, man. Or this did it on the 30-minute, I guess. Oh, yeah, see, look, it makes a nice pattern. It worked here, I guess, but that's because of this level. I'm not gonna buy Lunar before Fed, dude. Usually I would say you don't really have to worry about Fed too much, but today is a pretty big deal because it's gonna be the first cut. It's such a hyped event. What is what does prediction market say? But you should go back and study all the Fed meetings, see what the market does, right? See, now we're back to pretty much 50-50. What did it peak at? It peaked at like 60%, 61, 62% for 50 BPS. The low was September 11th. It was like 7, 8%. Not on Kalshi. What are you looking at? I guess different prediction markets will have different numbers. But I use yeah, that might is that lagging though? I know what you're talking about. CME FedWatch. I think that might be well, like I don't know how this one updates. I think it might update like daily or something, but Kalshi like is like a live market. How liquid is this market right now? How do I look at liquidity? Oh, okay. 2 million contracts traded today, so it's like $2 million. It's not that liquid. Oh, thank God. Bruh. Wait, let me look at this again. Not really a flag though. What's Viking doing? Is this still dead? Please tell me it's moving. Yeah, more time. Is the EV go? Can I like God, I fucking hate these stock splits, dude. Just give me a goddamn break. I don't wanna. Yeah, that's why I went to Motorola several times. There's no reaction because not really mainstream news. But basically, what Lebanon is saying is that Motorola or Taiwan, who manufactures one of these Taiwanese company that manufactures the batteries from Motorola, worked with the fucking Israelis to inject explosive into the pagers. I don't, it becomes substantive that, but Motorola has been working with like, you know, like the fucking feds and shit, like and the CIA and shit like that for a while. It's basically everything that Edward Snowden said that warned everyone about. It's not some kind of like magical hack where they make the pages explode remotely. There are definitely explosives injected into it. That's not what, you can't, a battery overheat, a lithium ion battery overheating does not look like that. It like burns. It doesn't blow up. Oh, fuck Israel though. Yeah, dude. Two shots at the back of the head. Who's that famous journalist that Gary Webb. Yeah, Gary Webb. He's a guy who investigated the CIA into, drug trafficking, crack cocaine into LA to fund weapons for the Contras. Uh, and yeah, he was found suicided with two gunshot wounds to the back of the head. And the FBI investigated that shit. So fucking stupid. There's another journalist who died by two gunshots to the back of the head too, a pretty known one. Can't remember though. APLD is what I'd call a piece of shit, yeah. Oh look, it's reclaiming the range after stopping me out. Yeah, APLD, Lunar, these are pieces of shit. I hate the way these stocks trend. I really do. But they can move. So, dude, what are they saying? Oracle is Oracle making moves? Because it's in the news now. He's richer than Bezos. Fucking uh this company, like, they make the worst product though. I don't know why the fuck. They just have a really good sales team, I guess. Really, dude? Sound is getting bids before Fed decision. Yeah. Oh, I got a price. Dude, why are they coming out with this shit right? Come on, dude. Man, I don't want to buy this, though. I don't. It's pro I just think that I have a. I don't need this headache. Look at this. Sets up, fails, sets up, fails. Fucking bitch. This is worth studying though. This see like this level. This is what multiple cell signals look like. You got like three cell signals, or four actually, with the final breakdown here, as opposed to buying signals. But it's fun also. Did you guys trade this here? This is who remembers this day? Everyone got fucked on this day. This day had so much slippage. I think I got slipped like 5% or something. I don't remember, but it was horrifying. I lost so much money this day. But I made it all back here, so whatever. I didn't trade this one though. I got fucked so hard on this early AI rally because come on, dude, this laggy ass piece of shit. Yeah, I traded it here. I think I tried to long it twice here. I didn't trade it here. I traded it here and ended up trying to hold it too long. What was the other one that went? BFRG. Yeah, this happened. I haven't seen this kind of setup in a while though. This is like a shitcoast type setup. It makes a huge move and it pulls back really hard, right? Then it sets up on the hourly like up here like this. Uh, VFS did this. I think it's the last time I traded this kind of setup. Here, yeah, yeah. This setup right here. Big move, way far pullback, but then you know, that's an hourly flag. I didn't trade it on the big day. I traded CXAI, I traded it here. I traded it here, here, and then I forget. I'm pretty sure I traded it here, but I don't remember. If I did, I didn't make too much money on it because I would have remembered that. No, I did trade it here. Yeah, yeah, I traded it here for sure. I entered. Yeah, yeah, no, I traded it here, but I don't think I made much money on it. This stock is a piece of shit though. I didn't trade it. I traded it here too, right here. This sucks though. This is why like flags are such a trap. Like and then you hold it because you don't want to sell any on day one. Yeah, GFAI. Yeah. Anyway, there's that main thing. I mostly made money on just AI, regular old C3 AI. That was the easy to trade stock. It's much more liquid. I bought First Solar yesterday though. Uh, Dude, what the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ. This really had no news? Why is it not showing then? What does it do? There's no press release on their fucking website. I looked earlier. Where are you seeing this news? Oh, it's fucking 49% for 50 BPS on Kalshi now. Jesus Christ. Oh man. What the fuck? So thin. Except for these volume days. Oh wow, this actually worked. Did the split go into effect today though? The news, it was announced a little while ago. 1 month ago. No, the split is on August 15th, dude. Oh, this actually worked? Yeah, whatever. Let's look at this. Look at this candle here. Yeah, I don't really see an edge in the split trade though. It's gotta be something on theme at least. Alright, I'm out. I think I need to go outside before I try to buy Lunar. I don't think this is a good setup, but looks like it's gonna try to flag. I might come back on for post-Fed. I don't know. Honestly, I should probably just like not do anything for Fed meeting. But maybe I'll come back on.